Hello everyone, welcome to Mechepisode. In today's video, we are going to see about Solidworks future. If you are new to this channel, please click subscribe and click the bell icon. Here, click pause and click OK. In this video, we are see about features. First one is Extrude boss. Clicks top plane and click sketch, and here first draw a circle and another one and click OK. Now click the smart dimension and first circle is 60 dia and second one is 120. Now exit sketch, go to features and click extrude boss base. Here we have 10 mm material added. Now click 20, 30, 40 mm. Here this is called a draft. Click here and click the draft angle. Here just give 15 degree or give just 10 degrees. Here showing draft outward. This is outward, this one is inward. And here check direction 2. Here we give 30. This is direction 2. Click direction 30. And here is draft angle. Click 0. This one is straight portion. And click OK. This one is extrude boss base. Click rotate view here. Here we got the boss extrude. Next one is extrude cut. Here select the top plane or otherwise select this. Select the top and click here sketch and press Ctrl 8 for this view, top view, and select a circle and randomly click here. Okay, click OK and give the dimension. Just give 10 mm dia. Press OK. Press Ctrl and select. First cancel this smart dimension. Select all 4 circles and here make equal. Okay. Now exit sketch and go to features and click extrude cut. Now this one is selected and here through all, here we have, and click OK. Now we got the material removed. First one is extruded boss, means if you are adding the material. Next one, extrude cut, means if you are removing the material. Next one is revolve boss base, and I will cancel this and go to new part. Click OK. I select the top plane and go to sketch. Okay, first I have to draw a center line. Click infinity length and click OK. Now I select the line and draw an object. Here like this, and here I'm drawing a free hand. Click OK. Now exit the sketch and go to features, click revolve boss base and select this. Now we got an revolve object. First one, axis of revolution. Select this line, already selected. Next one is 360 degree and click OK. Click OK. We have an object. Click rotate view. Here we have an object. If you have a cross section view, click this and select the plane. I'm selecting top plane and click OK. Click rotate view. This is the cross section view and click OK. If you don't want to revolve 360 degree, then go to revolve and click this. Here we have 360 degree rotation. Just give 300 degree and click OK. Now we have an object. It's a 300 degree rotated. Okay. In next video, we are going to see about swept and loft other comments. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to Mechepisode.